What I have here is this reflective foil that you would put like on your car windows or maybe even over your house window or something like that to keep the sun and maybe kind of like cool it off a lot in there. You can see right here, this one is a 48-inch by 10 foot. So it's a big, huge rectangle. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut out some sections of it to put over the windows in my van. So yeah, let's go ahead and let's cut out a few squares, put it in the window and see what it looks like. Okay, there it was, everybody. It was pretty easy to cut. I just had a little pair of scissors right here and it just sliced it like it was nothing. See how my window now, this window was open, and see how these are tinted. So you can't see in these, and this keeps the heat down. And then this is really going to heat down. And you see the windshield cover I have going on right there. Actually, let me show you inside the vehicle. So now look here. Now let's get in here and check this out. It already feels cooler in here. Now see, I have it closed off. Now look at my side window. So before, I always had a lot of sunshine and people could see in here easily when I was like, say at a rest stop or something, just want to take a nap while I'm traveling. But now this is going to work out perfect because I can put my windshield cover in. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the reflective, you know, window covers, RV covers, whatever they are. See you all in the next video.